drowning in payments, credit cards, loans, interest piling up. Debt consolidation promises relief. One payment, less stress, lower rates. But is it a smart move or just another financial trap? In this video, we'll expose when consolidation actually helps you save money and when it silently destroys your finances. Subscribe now because understanding debt could be your first step toward freedom. Debt can feel like a heavy chain, one that tightens with every credit card bill, loan payment, and interest charge. When multiple debts pile up, managing them can be overwhelming. That's where debt consolidation comes in, a financial strategy that promises to simplify your payments by combining multiple debts into one. But is it really a smart move or just another trap in disguise? The truth lies somewhere in between. For some, debt consolidation is a lifeline to financial stability. For others, it's a costly mistake that deepens the problem. Let's break down the truth from the myth, the benefits from the risks, and explore the top 10 things you need to know before deciding if debt consolidation is a good idea or a scam. Point 10. Understanding what debt consolidation really is. Debt consolidation means taking out one larger loan to pay off several smaller ones. The goal is to combine everything, credit cards, medical bills, personal loans, into a single monthly payment, ideally with a lower interest rate. This can make debt easier to manage and help avoid missed payments. However, consolidation doesn't make your debt disappear. It only restructures it. The danger is when people treat it like a reset button instead of a repayment strategy. It's a tool, not a miracle. Used correctly, it can simplify your finances. Used poorly, it can trap you deeper in debt. Point 9. When debt consolidation helps you, debt consolidation shines when it lowers your interest rates and helps you pay off debt faster. For example, if your credit cards charge 22% interest and your consolidation loan offers 10%, that's real savings. It also helps when you're juggling multiple payments with different due dates. Consolidation brings peace of mind with just one. If you have a steady income, good credit, and a plan to stop adding new debt, this approach can be a financial fresh start. It's most effective for disciplined borrowers who want structure, not escape. Point 8. When debt consolidation hurts you, debt consolidation becomes a trap when you use it as a shortcut rather than a solution. If your spending habits remain the same, you'll soon find yourself back in debt. Only now you owe more. Some consolidation loans extend repayment terms to make monthly payments smaller, but that also means paying more interest over time. And if you use a home equity loan to consolidate credit card debt, you risk losing your house if you can't pay. In short, consolidation helps the disciplined but punishes the careless. Point 7. Debt consolidation versus debt settlement. Many people confuse these two, and that's where scams thrive. Debt consolidation means combining your debts into one manageable loan. Debt settlement, on the other hand, means negotiating with creditors to pay less than what you owe. While settlement may sound appealing, it often destroys your credit score and may involve shady companies charging upfront fees. Consolidation, when done through legitimate financial institutions, doesn't harm your credit the same way. In fact, it can help rebuild it. Knowing the difference is key to avoiding scams. Point 6. Spotting a debt consolidation scam. Unfortunately, many companies prey on desperate borrowers with promises that sound too good to be true. Red flags include asking for large upfront payments, guaranteeing that they can erase your debt instantly, advising you to stop communicating with your creditors, offering unrealistically low interest rates without checking your credit. Legitimate lenders never ask for fees before providing a loan. Always check for reviews, Better Business Bureau ratings, and proper licensing. A trustworthy debt consolidation program is transparent about costs and timelines. Scams hide them behind false hope. Point 5. The real benefits of debt consolidation. When done through a reliable lender, consolidation offers several real advantages. Lower interest rates, saving money in the long run. Simplified payments, reducing stress and confusion. Improved credit utilization, which can gradually raise your credit score. Fixed repayment term, knowing exactly when you'll be debt-free. Financial discipline, encouraging you to stick to a single payment plan. The key is not the loan itself, but your behavior after taking it. If you close your old credit cards and avoid new debt, consolidation becomes a stepping stone toward financial freedom. Point 4. The hidden risks nobody tells you about. Many borrowers overlook the fine print. Some lenders charge origination fees or penalties for early repayment. Others may offer teaser rates that increase later. Another common issue is extending the repayment period to make payments look smaller, but this can cost thousands in extra interest over time. Also, some consolidation loans require collateral like your home or car. Defaulting on such a loan means losing valuable assets. Always read the loan terms carefully and calculate the total cost before signing anything. Point 3. Alternatives to debt consolidation. If consolidation doesn't fit your situation, there are other ways to regain control. Debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debts first for motivation. Debt avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest debt first. Balance transfer credit cards. Move high-interest credit card balances to one with a 0% intro APR for qualified borrowers. Credit counseling. Nonprofit organizations can negotiate better terms without costly fees. Consolidation is just one tool in the toolbox. Choose the one that aligns with your financial habits and goals. Point 2. How to choose the right debt consolidation option. Not all consolidation programs are equal. The best approach depends on your credit score, income, and debt type. For instance, personal loan consolidation, ideal for those with strong credit seeking lower interest. Balance transfer card, great for short-term repayment within 12 to 18 months. Home equity loan, suitable for homeowners with substantial equity and discipline. Before applying, calculate your debt-to-income (DTI) ratio. If it's above 40%, lenders may charge higher rates. Also, compare offers from banks, credit unions, and online lenders, not just one source. Transparency and flexibility matter more than promises. Point 1. The verdict: smart move or scam? Debt consolidation is neither a miracle cure nor a scam. It's a strategy. It works when used wisely by people committed to changing their financial behavior. It fails when used as a quick fix without addressing the real problem: overspending and lack of budgeting. Scams exist because many people want easy solutions to complex problems. The best way to protect yourself is through education, discipline, and awareness. If you treat debt consolidation as part of a broader financial plan, not the whole plan, it can be one of the smartest decisions you'll ever make. Debt consolidation isn't magic, it's a tool. Used right, it simplifies your life. Used wrong, it doubles your debt. Don't look for shortcuts, look for strategy. If this video helped you understand your options, hit like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights that turn confusion into clarity. Your freedom starts with knowledge, and it begins right here.